The sound of home is calling me, a sacred tone that sets me free. It echoes through the night and day, guiding light to show the way. Whispering winds begin to hum, dancing flames in a rhythm come. All the world begins to sing to the power on can bring. On the voice of earth and sky, so bright, on the sound of pure delight. The river flows with endless grace, reflecting stars in time and space. The mountains stand so proud and tall, they answer to Om's sacred call. Whispering winds begin to hum, dancing flames in rhythm come. All the world begins to sing to the power Om can bring. Om, the voice of earth and sky, Om, the light that never dies. Om, the song of soul so bright, Om, the sound of pure delight. Om, the voice of your